Hi there. Are you tired of having products sitting on the shelf just collecting dust? Or some of your guests would come in and they're just getting exactly the treatment that they asked for. There were no enhancements, upgrade opportunities, nothing added to their experience. Well, if so, you definitely need my help. I'm Dori Soukup, founder of Inspiration Management, and I'm here to share with you one of the most popular products we have. Is called the Don't Sell, Recommend. In it, I teach the P.R.I.D.E system to help your team implement within their experience a very simple system to help them upgrade treatments and recommend retail products or home care products. The entire system is proven effective, and I know and confident that if you implement it the way I teach it, then your retail sales will just skyrocket and your upgrade opportunities will increase exponentially. So now this product has two components to it. One is the audio, which is a very user-friendly tool. All you have to do is take the memory stick and download the audio, and your entire team can actually listen to it. And it also has a manual with it, to where all the phrases, the special techniques that I teach in the Don't Sell, Recommend are all in writing. So it depends. Do you have a team member that prefers to listen, or do you have a team member that likes to read? No matter what their learning preference is, you'll be able to capture it or give them actually both. Now, what I do during the P.R.I.D.E system is there are so many scripts and ways to say things to make the recommendation process super easy, and all those scripts are in here, so you don't have to drive yourself crazy trying to write them down as I'm saying them on the audio. Then my recommendation to you would be to take the scripts, highlight them, give them to the team, and let them learn them, and then you can start role playing, start setting some new targets, and you will see how much improvement you will have within your business. I made this manual super easy for you. There's a special symbol for scripts, so you just go to that symbol and the script is right there for you. So you need to have both of these in your success library if you're serious about improving your upgrade opportunities and your retail sales. They are definitely a must-have. Now, as always, we guarantee all of our products. If for some reason you get them and you think, oh, this was a waste of my money, I'll be more than happy to give you your money back. But as I mentioned, this is our most popular product we have. You must have it. So click below, get it, start learning it, implement it, and you will see how much you'll be able to grow your business. Until next time, stay inspired.